Shri Bhagwati presents Tablet Press Machine. A tablet press machine, also known as a tablet press or pill press, is a mechanical device that compresses powder or granules into tablets of a specific size and shape. This process is widely used in the pharmaceutical, food, and chemical industries to produce tablets for oral consumption. Tablet press machines come in various types, such as single-station presses, rotary presses, and high-speed presses, each with its specific advantages depending on the production requirements. The choice of a tablet press depends on factors like production volume, tablet size, and the characteristics of the raw materials being used. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.